So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a gorgeous quilt effect pattern on your cake using one of these little quilt effect stamps, which you can buy on Amazon for a couple of pounds, and then all you need is a cake smoother, some edible glue and a brush, and some ribbon. Now the ribbon is just in case the cake stamp, your cake is taller than the cake stamp, so you can put some ribbon around the cake just in case, but we probably won't need this for this one. And then some lovely gold balls to go in each cross to make it look like a proper cushion or something fancy. So the first thing you need to do is get your cake. I've got an 8-inch round cake and I've covered it in navy blue sugar paste. It's actually 250 grams navy blue Renshaw sugar paste and 2 Atlantic blue Renshaw sugar paste, 250 grams, all mixed together to get this kind of shade, because I didn't want it, the navy blue Renshaw was a bit too dark and I wanted it a bit of a nicer blue. So then you cover your cake. If you don't know how to do that, you can go to my channel and there's a video on there how to crumb coat a cake and also how to cover it in sugar paste so that you're ready at this stage to make you a lovely pattern on your cake. Okay, so let's get started. So you've got your corn flour here in a little bowl, and I'm just using this because my sugar paste is quite tacky. It's a little bit sticky, so I don't want this to get stuck on the cake and pull the sugar paste off. I want it to go on smoothly and be able to come away. So just get your bowl of corn flour, dip it in, and just give it a rub around, and then just rub off the excess with your hands, because you don't want too much on it. You just want enough that it's not going to stick. And don't worry about getting white marks on the cake, because you can just brush them off with a paintbrush at the end. So you've got your stamp. Get your cake smoother on the other side so you don't get any finger marks on it. And then just simply stamp the cake and move it around and press evenly on all sides so that you get the full pattern there. Gorgeous. So it's got a bit of the corn flour on it, but don't worry about that because it comes off really easily. You can just brush it off with your fingers or get a paintbrush and brush it off. So then you've got your little first stamp to start with. You can see just there. So then you want to just move around and join up. So spin the thing around, just join up the diamonds. So you want to join these two and just make sure they're making a diamond with where you left the other two marks. So just press and then just gently move it around as you did last time, and try and keep equal pressure on the cake each time you move around. And just get your brush, you can just take off any excess corn flour that's kind of attached to the cake. So there you can see started to get a good pattern developing. So just keep going round until you get to the other side, and if it doesn't quite match up, that's okay, because you can make that bit the back of the cake. So there you are, and you've got your lovely patterned cake. So what you can do now is to just make it more prominent, is use this tool here and just go over the lines that you've created with the stamp, just to give the lines a sort of deeper effect so it's more noticeable. Just keep going round, following the lines of the grid and just making them more prominent. You have got a lovely patterned cake. So now what we're going to do is in the little crosses where the lines cross over, we're going to put little gold balls to make it look extra special. So you can decant your little gold balls into a nice receptacle and use the edible glue to put it in the crevices. You might want to use a pair of tweezers, not the ones you do your eyebrows with, but a pair of kitchen tweezers. I don't have any, so I'm just going to pick it up, put a bit of glue on the paintbrush, pick the ball up and stick it on the cake. So do that all the way around the cake, and then I'm going to show you the finished product. Just carry on dabbing glue in the crosses of your cake, and then just picking up a ball. What's that one? Hi, golden ball. Picking up one with your brush, just pressing it in very gently, so you don't kind of press it in really hard and get your fingerprint all over the cake. You just want to gently push it in so you don't touch the cake and you don't get any fingerprints on it. And that is my last one. That is how it looks for now. Looking good. I do think navy and gold is a very good colour combination as well. Do a gorgeous cushion patterned cake. My next video is going to be a gold effect on a white cake, because this is actually going to be a 2-tier cake for Holy Communion, and the top tier is going to be a white cake with a gold brush effect on it, with sort of, that looks like gold paint but not paint, obviously. No one wants to eat that. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like that video, subscribe to my channel for more of the same gorgeous cake tips.